In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp without installing any application on your mobile device. Now, WhatsApp has made it quite easier for anyone to lock his WhatsApp account without having to look for any third-party application. On your phone, navigate to your WhatsApp account. On the top right corner, proceed to click on the three ellipses. Then you have to locate settings. Under settings, proceed to locate privacy and click there. Under privacy, proceed to scroll down till you locate fingerprint lock. As you can see, now we have the fingerprint lock, and to lock it, you just have to toggle this on. I'm prompted with a notification that to use this feature, I will need to set up my fingerprint on my device. So I'm going to do it first, and you have to do it on your mobile device. And to set it up, all we need to do is to locate our settings, then proceed to scroll down till you locate lock screen. Under this interface, proceed to click on fingerprint. Then from there, you have to click on continue. We are notified that before you can register for your fingerprint, you need to set a secure screen lock, either a pattern pin or password. So I'm gonna insert a pin. Then I'll proceed to click on continue. I'll enter it again, click on continue, and click on OK. Now my pin has been set. I have to now insert my fingerprint in order to activate this. So I'm gonna do it quickly and get back to the video. So now the fingerprint has been added, so I have to proceed to click on done. If for any reason you have any other person you want his fingerprint to also be recognized by this device, you can click on add. Maybe your spouse or your children, you want them to get access to your device, you can click on add and let them also scan their fingerprint on your mobile device. Then proceed to click on done. After that, you can minimize this and locate your WhatsApp account. Then now we have to proceed to toggle on the fingerprint. Now you are prompted confirm fingerprint, so you have to touch the fingerprint sensor. Immediately you have successfully activated the fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp account. When you look down small under automatically lock, you will see immediately toggle on. This means that immediately you move out of WhatsApp, to open it you have to use the fingerprint lock, or you can also toggle on after 1 minute, or you can toggle on after 30 minutes. Whichever option best suits you, you have to choose this. And if for any reason after you lock your account you want notifications to be given to you when someone texts you a message, you can maintain this toggle on. So this will give you a preview of the message that you have received before you can proceed to even lock your screen. If you don't want to maintain this, you can proceed to toggle this off. If later you have a change of mind and you want to deactivate the fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to navigate to this interface, then proceed to toggle off unlock with fingerprint. So you have to touch the sensor on your phone device, then now you can toggle off the unlock with fingerprint. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. To see more content like this, consider hitting the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.